Humanitarian flights could begin coming to Jamaica as early as Thursday. That's according to Transport Minister Darrell Vaz. Mr. Vaz was speaking to journalists after touring the Kingston International Airport in St. James.
From all indications, after discussions with the JCAA and AAJ and the hub operator, that we should be in a position to get the airport back reopened as early as this afternoon. They will finish their assessment and report back to me within an hour, hour and a half, and the country and the world will be told. That is immediately for relief flights, which we have a number of requests pending, and secondly, commercial operations. I've indicated to them that that is priority. There are people that we need to get out. There are people who are here stuck as tourists and locals who are here on vacation that want to go back. And there's a lot of anxious Jamaicans and other persons who want to help that want to get in.
Now, cleanup operations at the Kingston International Airport got underway earlier today. Minister Vaz says there was flooding. However, the damage to the actual facility was minimal. Meanwhile, he says the Norman Manley International Airport remains closed. As for the Ian Fleming Airport in St. Mary, the minister says an assessment will be done and a report provided on Thursday. Kingston Wharves Limited, KWL, says it has faced minimal disruptions and teams are working to restore full functionality while ensuring the safety and readiness of facilities. The terminal and warehouses are being prepared to resume operations tomorrow at 7 a.m.